Yeah. Hi and good evening, teacher and partners. Today we going talk about the population sample selection and sampling. Next, please. Okay, our team is the group two, Christelle, Alison, Ellen, Tyra, and me.
In this presentation, we will explain the methodological framework for our research, detailed impact of lack of innovation in authors in San Juan de Urigancho 2025. We will describe the population for our study, outline our sample selection approach, and detail the sample technique we will implement. These three methodological components establish the foundation for our investigation into how the absence of innovation affects the hotel sector in this district, allowing us the broader representative data that will lead to meaningful conclusions and recommendations.
Okay, now I going to talk about the population. What is the population? The population refers to the total group of persons that we know about some specific characteristics, and this characteristic is important for our investigation. Some characteristics about the population is number one, must be directly related to the research problem. We refers to this characteristic, for example, if we going to about the how much people drink coffee, so our population will be have the people that drink coffee. And number two is includes basic data on the population. This characteristic is because our population we know about the age, about the gender, and about the geographic ubication. And number three is must be accessible for the data collection. This means that we are able to locate and contact the population easily and fast. And the last characteristic is describe how the population acts in response to a product or service. This refers if we want learn about the fidelity of the population.
Sample selection. What is? Sample selection refers to the process of choosing a specific group of individuals from the population who will participate in the research. Characteristics. Number one, based on defined selection criteria, relevance, accessibility. Number two, ensures diversity within the select group, size, category, role. Number three, the sample can be big or small, but must be useful. Number four, the sample must be clear and easy to explain. Thank you.
I will talk about the sampling. What is sampling? Sampling is a technique used to select a small group of a big population. This small group helps researchers collect information quickly and without spending too much money. And our group use sampling when it's not possible to study the whole population. Some of the characteristic of sampling is number one, select a few, not all. Sampling chooses a small part of the population, not the whole group. Number two, follows rules. It uses clear steps or rules to pick the sample. Number three, saves time and money. It is faster and cheaper than studying the whole population. Number four, gives useful information. A good sample can tell us a lot about the whole group. And number five, use when a field study is hard. Sampling is done when it's not possible to study everyone. Thank you.
And the conclusion we have to the group
The proper definition of the population, the appropriate selection of the sample, and the use of successful sampling method are essential for the success of our research of the impact of the lack of innovation in the hotels in San Juan de Lurigancho. These methodological elements allow us to obtain the representative data, save time and research, and focus on establishments that arise while to participate. With this solid foundation we have, we will be able to draw the relevant conclusions and propose political recommendations that contribute to the deployment of the hotel sector and the district. Yeah, all right. This is everything, teacher. Thank you for your listening.